And look at how cute this is. So let me just ask you some basic questions about your house.
Yeah.
When was it built?
1917.
1917.
So
and you've lived here how long?
Going on 7 years.
7 years. Okay. Well,
There you go.
it is just as gobsmacking the second time as it was the first time. This is just, it is just a little jewel box, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that's what I had in mind, actually. It's just like, oh, I just want to make everything just perfect and just the way I like it. And I told my husband, like, I want to do this and I want to do it just the way I want to do it.
Yeah. Well, and isn't that a luxury?
Right.
Where you don't have anybody else's opinions to take into account.
Right.
But oh my gosh, this is just, okay, well, take me through it. How did this start out when you moved in?
Okay, when we came in, it was just a laminate floor, and actually the floor was literally about 3 inches slanted over there. We already had really good walls. As a matter of fact, this whole wall was literally not supported by anything, because again, all the joists were rotten, but it shows how well constructed it was,
right.
that it was still standing.